So I think the first piece of advice that I'll give of anybody who's trying to sort of think about career is don't be too focused, right? I know this is not conventional advice, but I think fundamentally in today's day and age, I think you have to focus on saying, okay, go into places and do something. And if you're not really liking it, I don't think there's a lot of opportunity cost, right? Like go try doing something else, right? Don't just have too much focus on just being there if you're miserable and if you don't like or if you realize you're not good at it, right? So I think that's the first piece of advice in terms of trying and doing a lot of things and then see which you really like doing or which you enjoy doing and you're actually good at, right? I think the second piece of advice for me is to not focus too much on picking up a lot of learning from books or like from an academic lens, right? I think students today are living an age wherein the cost of doing has reduced by a huge margin, right? So if you're a coder, for example, right, you don't need like a very expensive server space to actually try and build some test project, right? You could pretty much do that at pretty much zero cost, right? If you want to build a career in digital, right, don't wait to like go do a course or whatever, right? Go on Twitter, go on Facebook, create amazing content from your own personal brand, see if you can gain followers, right? Because I think the fundamentals will remain the same, but I think doing and learning is a very, very different thing, right? So the second advice I have is no matter what you want to do and what you want to build your career in, don't wait for building a great resume from like academic knowledge. Go out and try doing those things, right? Now in today's day and age, you can pretty much test anything or go do it instead of waiting for somebody to give you a job and then get on the job learning, right? So I think that's the second advice of if you want to build a career in finance, go look at like financial statements from public companies, go publish it in a blog with your opinions, right? I think that's the best way to sort of both build mastery but also build a live resume instead of a paper resume, right?
Very interesting.
Like imagine if you want to go to a finance job, your likelihood of somebody actually caring is much better if you've already done a tear down of 3 financial statements versus putting into your resume that you have studied all these 5 subjects, right? So I think that's my second piece of advice is learning by doing, if I can put it that way. And I think the third one is sort of have a real-time network or a real-time mentor network, right? So again, I think mentorship is not something that is really sort of blown up in India, and I know that's what you guys are trying to do in one form or the other. Is basically real-life mentorship. There is no sort of comparison to that, right? So if you really want to understand how great marketeers work, go on Twitter, go on LinkedIn, and like follow some great marketeers that right, or some great brands that have been built. And feel free to reach out to them and say, you know what, I would love to understand how you built your career. What are the books you read? What are things you did? Or same from what you guys are trying to do on the platform, right? I think that is the way to do it. It's actually learning from people in real time instead of like just spending all your time in books and academics. By all means, I'm not saying that don't be good in academics, but I think there is a lot more value and a lot more access to information and wisdom in today's day and age than let's say you and me had when we were starting up.